Hello traders. Hello traders. Today is the 4th of April 2014, and the time in London is 47 minutes past 2 p.m. In New York, 47 minutes past 9 a.m. Happy trading to you all. The title of the video is Day Trading Preparation with the trading volume. All right, let's get started. My apologies, traders. All right. So we're going to go now to Google Finance. All right. So all you need to do is to go and to Google and just type in Google Finance, and you come here. Now, as you can see here, it's saying you can see okay, the URL. Okay, HTTPS. Okay, colon / www.google.com. You see, double. Okay, here you see .com. All right. Now this is American market. If it was United Kingdom, you'll be .co.uk. Now, because I live in London, you will see that it will show if you type into Google. If I go now, I'll show you 1 second what I'm talking about. If I go now to Google search, because I live in London and I put like this, just put in finance. Okay. Pay attention. Okay, I put in finance because I mean. You can see that this is it, you see here, Google Finance, stock market code, news, currency. Now, click on it. Now, you can see if you check the URL, it's now .co.uk because Google will transfer you to your country, all right? So, depending on your country, you will see the Google Finance of your country. Now, if you want to change it to .com, all you have to do is to just clear it here. Click on it, okay, you see here, and then change it to .com. Then you will have the American stock, you see here, .com / finance. So I like the American stock, so I go to .com, all right? You see how I change it? So if you are in your country and you want to see the bigger picture of the American market, you may change it and see it. But if you want to see your local Google Finance, well, that's what's the first choice that you will have, okay? So the preparation, a day trading preparation with trading volume, we come to Google Finance, all right? Okay, so if you're in your country, you leave it as it is. You don't change the URL. So, and then you go down. You see here where you see trend, okay? Trends. And then you see price, market capital, MTT, all right? Market capital, and this is volume, all right? So as a day trader, you want to do your preparation for day trading using the trading volume. You click on volume, all right? That's it. So now you hear what we call leaders, all right? Leaders. These are huge interest stocks that we have here. On top here, we have 4.2 million shares being transacted for United Health Group. So you can do your technical analysis for these stock. Huge volume, all right, before the market will open, all right, and then you will apply the volume trading strategies that you have learned, okay, on our website, okay, to trade your financial instrument. So for this demonstration, the preparation for day trading using the trading volume, I'm going to use the United Health Group, all right. So as you can see here, it's 4.2 million share being transacted. So click on it, all right? But because I don't want to use Google charts, all right? I have my own charts. Now, I will go to TC2000, all right? And I will look for the United Health Group. The EPIC is UNH, Uniform November Hotel, okay? So I'm going to click on it, Uniform November Hotel. That's it, it's United Health Group. Now, here we are. So, 1 second, please, because I changed my, I need to bring the current data. This is the current data now here. Okay, I'm on a monthly chart. I'm going to go to the daily chart. All right. So, remember, we start from Google Finance, all right? And then we go down, we see what is the trend, and then we click on the volume, and we have here the leaders, and for the volume, okay? And these are the stocks that will interest us because we know that there's a huge trading volume and the price may move, all right? So if you are using the TSTW24, you don't want to trade financial instruments that remain in one place the whole day. You want financial instruments that are dynamic, all right? Very important. For forex trading, there's no problem at all. For traders that are trading stocks, it's very important to trade financial instruments that move, so you are not the only one trading that financial instrument, okay? Very, very important. All right, so 4.2 okay, million share. That's what Google told us. So now I go back to my TC2000 on a daily chart. Can you see the volume bar? I'm talking about this. This is yesterday bar. You see, yesterday. It's today's back here. This is the third. This is the third of. Can you see? Pay attention to this session when I click on the bar. Keep watching this session here. You see, the Thursday, April 3rd, 14. Can you see it? Okay. All right. So that's a 4.2. Okay, a surge in trading volume, a huge volume to a certain degree, but not very, very interesting to me because I would prefer something like this. Look at this. Pay attention. But this is just one tips one can use for preparation for day trading, the leaders of the volume. So what myself I prefer is to see the trading volume to be declining or to be horizontal, as you can see here, horizontal, and then boom, up. I prefer that. Here, I'm not very excited about it because it's not, okay, a surge in trading volume as such. All right, it's not a surge in trading volume as such. All right, but what can we do with this information? Okay, so the leaders of the trading volume given by Google, how do we trade that today? So suppose we are bullish, we want to buy after checking the fundamental. Very important. Check the fundamental, check the balance sheet, check the news related to the financial instrument that you are day trading. Very important. All right, it's not all about technical trading alone. So what do we need to do? We don't want to fight the market. You see the line I'm drawing on my daily chart here? It's not, okay, in fact, hold on please. 1 second, all right? So, before the market will open, this is my preparation. So, I will put horizontal line at the high of this bar, and I will also put horizontal line at the low of this candle bar here. This volume bar here is 4.2 million shares being transacted here. So I'll highlight it. So there is a bit of interest in these stocks. If it's going to be bullish, we want to buy above the high of yesterday. If it's going to be bearish, at least below the median line of the range of yesterday, even below the low. All right. So today, the level, because the price now above the high of yesterday, well, I will be more willing to buy, provided that the fundamentals are solid. Very important. Ladies and gentlemen, there is also a resistance here. I don't want to forget that. Because the price went up here, some people sold it. So there was some seller here. But the price above the high of last year, and there's a bit of interest here in this stock. So from the daily chart, I may decide to switch to one of my favorite time frame, use the top-down trading method. Here, this is my pink line, which represents the high of yesterday. So now the market has just opened. It's now 25 minutes since now 26 minutes since New York is open. And you can see that the price gap above the pink line. So if I would like to buy, I would like to buy above, at least above the high of yesterday. That will be, okay, a valid strategy, all right? But I will use my TSTW24 to enter this trade, but I will also check the fundamental. Remember, the resistance that I show you on the daily chart is still here. You don't want to forget that, okay? If we go back again to Google Finance, another financial instrument that will interest us, this is American stock because we are using the .com. If it was .co.uk, this will be Great Britain stocks, okay, the United Kingdom stock. If you are in Indian, then you will see the stock of your country. But if you are using .com, then you will see American stocks. All right? So, okay, so Bank of America also is here, 1.1 million share. I like Bank of America, so I'll click on it on Google. And we can see it here. Here it is. It's a Bank of America. But I don't want to stay here. I can go and check the financials. Here it is, the financial here. Then you can check the balance sheet here to do a bit of fundamental analysis. But I'll go to TC2000 and I will look for, okay, Bank of America to see what is happening there. All right, so I'm going to go again to the daily charts because the information that Google is providing for us, this is a daily chart volume that we have seen for this American stock, 1.2 million shares. So I'm going to the daily chart on my TC2000 and what I want to know, this is yesterday. If you pay attention to the top left-hand corner of my chart, Thursday, April 3rd, 14. So this is the candle that I want to highlight. So again, very simple method. I will highlight the high of yesterday, which is this candle here, with horizontal line. I will use different color to determine which level I'm watching. So when I change my time frame, I can know exactly what I'm looking at. So roughly my media line is somewhere here. So what I'm going to do now, I will color my media line into pink, all right? And I will color the high into red, okay? So this will allow me to differentiate these levels. So now from this point, I can switch now to 5-minute time frame. Doesn't matter, but remember, this is just to show you the preparation that we can do before the market open using the trading volume, checking Google Finance, all right? Now, moment please. As you can see, the price, this is the median line of yesterday range. The price was below it. Now it's hanging there. If I want to buy, at least on this 5-minute chart, what do we need to do? Start drawing lines, at least, you see, trend lines, you see. So you check the fundamental, very important, check the economy news, so you don't see any surprises, very important. So if you want to buy, we want to buy in the bullish zone somewhere here when the price display higher low. Even now like this, if you buy, it's not too bad, you place your stop loss below this low here. But you need to be careful because you want to buy above this bearish trend line at least, looking for a support, okay, somewhere here. For day traders, day traders might use the pivot lines, okay? Support level 1, support level 2, resistance level 1, resistance level 2, central pivots. For day trading, it's very important to have these on your chart. These are our recommendation for TSTW24 traders. If you are trading or day trading and you don't know where are the pivot level, it can be a bit tricky sometimes especially for new traders, all right? Okay, so you see now? So to be completely bullish, we will prefer to be above the high of yesterday. So here the price is failing to go above the high of yesterday. It's not very bullish. Now, if we are buying above the median line, which is the pink line here, we need to understand that it's not completely bullish. The best place to be completely bullish and look for higher low is above the high of yesterday, because if the price is bullish, the price might display higher lows, new higher highs. The price might display new higher lows and new higher highs. So the high of yesterday is the red horizontal line. If the price fails to display a new higher high, it's slowing down. It's not completely bearish, it's slowing down, all right, a little bit. So these are just a few tips about, okay, day trading preparation with the trading volume. Now, I can go on. If I go now to my TC2000 and I click on the Dow 30, because the stock now, you go to Dow 30. This is 30 stock, very simple. If I click on Nasdaq 100, I will have to go through 100 stocks. But the Dow Jones with 30 stocks is very simple to analyze. So I can quickly change my time frame to the daily chart, okay? And visually, with my own eyes, I can quickly check whether I have a surge in trading volume or not. You see here? This is on a daily chart, so I prefer the surge in trading volume, as I explained to you at the beginning of this video. There is also another strategy that we use on a 30-minute chart, looking for a surge in trading volume. I will not discuss that today. I want to focus on a daily chart when we are preparing for day trading, all right? So I can go on now, click on the stock one by one, okay? So this is not a surge in trading volume. There was a surge here, you see? So the day before, there was a surge in trading volume for this Intel on a daily chart. You can see, very interesting. So today it's not a surge, but you can see that day before was a surge in trading volume. Because why? You see the volume was declining. Now we see a surge. As always, ladies and gentlemen, we will draw the high. See? So I will just draw the high because we draw the high, the low, and the median. So I draw only the high, and I will color it now into green. And as you can see, if I switch to my this time, I don't want to go to the 5-minute chart, go to the 10-minute chart, and you can see it's above, okay, the high of yesterday after a surge in trading volume. So it's hanging out there. I'll prefer, if I'm buying like this, a bit tricky, I'll prefer either a pullback or a higher low above this level. All right. If I go back again to the daily chart, talking about the trading volume, how we use it for preparation. So there was a surge in trading volume the day before. So this stock will be very interesting for me for day trading. The next stock is here, the Walt Disney stock. Again, on a daily chart, we want to pay attention. So here, there is no surge in trading volume. Personally speaking, I'm not very excited for day trading to look at this one. Using the trading volume, we are focusing on the trading volume in this case. Here, you see, this was a surge in trading volume. On that day, there was a surge in trading volume here, this candle here. Then the volume, okay, start going down. But this is also interesting to me because you can see before there was a normal volume, and then we have this surge. So this surge was taking place during this time. But if you forget the market pattern itself, here I will focus completely because I was not here at that time. You see here, focus on the market pattern itself. So the price consolidating between these two range. Now the price is above it. You see now? So with this information, I can prepare myself and select the best financial instrument that I want to trade. Similar situation for Johnson & Johnson, a very bullish stock. Again, another surge in trading volume here, but not exactly today. But you see, same scenario, consolidate a normal volume and then a surge. So again, we look at the price sell. Looks to me, see, like an inverted head and shoulder, the price now above it. Okay? So if you want to buy it today, at least you want to be bullish above the high of yesterday. Yes or no? Yesterday, okay? Very simple, okay? Now it's sitting above it, that line. I will color it now in turquoise. So this can be my preparation for day trading. This time I go to the 15-minute chart. You see it's sitting on it, and they are pushing it, okay? You want to, okay, at least, okay. All right? If we go to the next financial instrument, we can do the same thing. Here there was again, now I'm on a 15-minute chart. I want to go to the daily chart. These are the preparation using the trading volume. Now the surge in trading volume will take place too long, far away. Now, so this stock, I'll just, okay, see. You can see similar situation, you see. It's above the red line. Yeah? There was a kind of consolidation here. So you see this line here? But remember, okay, the high of yesterday is still below the high of yesterday. So be careful, okay? The next financial instrument, no surge in trading volume as such. But a few days before, you can see there was a surge in trading volume. In fact, there was, see, surge, surge. Now, if you remember the video that we call trading tips about trading volume, if you watch this volume bar, we can highlight this level where the buy, this zone. Okay. Now, this is not exactly the same level, not exactly the same level, but they are by above this level here. All right? But today, not much to talk about. We will pay attention to the price itself. Again, you see this level here. D below it, retest it, further resistance. We are now above it, okay? Steadily, okay? Now, the next financial instrument, checking the volume, no surge in trading volume, not very interesting. Look on your left-hand side, not much, okay? So, not very interesting, okay? Here we are. You see there was a surge long time. Do not forget this is more than 20 million shares being transacted in this stock. So some people are in this stock already. Why? We want to know. Do your due diligence. Check Google Finance, Yahoo Finance. So here, after the search, we see it slowed down a bit. But do not forget, these people, who are they? They are still in the market. And what the price doing? The price displaying. So far, we have the first high low. So our inclination is to be a little bit bullish. But we will not stop on the daily chart. We can check the weekly chart, the monthly chart, to see the bigger picture. All right? Again, no surge in trading volume. Okay? All right? Quickly, we can go to them very fast. Very fast. Okay, another stock, Merck and Co. The next one, Physia. Okay, was a surge here. Then it goes down. So, what we can do here, the day where we have the surge is here. Highlight that range of that candle bar, this candle here. We are now sitting above that level, but there is a resistance here. Watch it, okay? All right. So I will call out that high, the high of the day where we have a surge in trading volume, which is the red line here. If we switch, for instance, to the 3-minute chart, you can see we are above it. If you want to be bullish, well, the price must be, okay, in a rising, okay, a channel, okay, or at least, so draw a roughly channel like this. All right, so if you are aggressive buyer, you can buy like this, and then place your stop loss below this low here. That's not too bad. Okay, so if it's coming below the red line, you know that okay, it's diminishing a little bit. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, all right, but you want to be in a rising channel. Okay, all right, and you are waiting for the pullbacks. Very important. Okay, sometimes for day trading purposes, a day trader will enter some trade like this now. If I buy like this, I know that, okay, it's not a beautiful setup, but my protection is the red horizontal line. I may decide to enter like this. That's my own decision, depending on my trading style, okay? But if it's risky trade, I want to control the risk, all right? The next financial instrument, the United Health, you can see, as I told you, we were above it. It's pulling back. Now it's stuck above this level 8237. It's going back below. This is, we remember when we were talking about, we were looking at the volume. We go back again. You see, you remember? Okay, you go to trend, and then you click on volume. United Health. Yeah, this is the stock that we are looking at now. Still on the 3-minute chart. It's hanging on. Okay, above this red horizontal, the pink horizontal line, which is the high of yesterday. Okay, I'm now on the 3-minute chart. I'm going to go back again to the daily chart. We are talking about how we use the trading volume. Okay, for the preparation for day trading. We go to the daily chart, and we are looking for a surge in trading volume. We highlight the high, the median line, and the low of the daily bar. If you want to be bullish, at least above the median line, better above the high of the previous day. You want to be bearish, at least below the median line of the previous day. Okay? All right? So here, not very interesting because there's no surge. But, okay, there was some surge here. Okay, so this is, if you want to watch where there was a surge, this is the zone. So we would prefer it to go above the level 6149 before we can be truly bullish. Okay? Goldman Sachs on a daily chart, you can see here no surge in trading volume, okay, but doesn't mean that the price cannot go up. But we are using the trading volume to prepare ourselves for day trading. That's why we are looking for a surge in trading volume, a stock that received okay a huge interest the day before. All right, that's why we are looking for no surge, okay, and then we apply our trading method. Here we see. Few days ago, last week, you can see there was a surge in trading volume for this UTS, United Health Technology. So in this scenario, this is the candle here, this candle here. That's where we see the surge. So the day before. So this is the candle where we need to highlight. Okay. What I will do in this scenario, 1 second, please. I'll move the green line apologies, green lines to the low of this bar, and we want to be bullish above, okay, the red horizontal line, which is the high of where we see this. See normal volume, normal volume, normal volume, and then boom, huge, seriously, from 3 million to 9 million, 3 times, okay, the normal volume, okay, very interesting for us. What's going on? Check the fundamental first, do not get too excited. Check the higher time frame, do not stop on a daily chart alone, like a lot of day traders and swing traders are doing. Be curious, all right? If you can see the yearly chart, great. What's going on here? See? All right? The euro line went above it. All right? So, and the high of last year, talking about the 6 critical price level, push your curiosity higher. All right? Don't stop on the daily chart alone. See the bigger picture so you can make excellent decision. It may look bullish on the daily chart. It may look bearish on the monthly chart. So what do? You want to pay attention to the higher time frame. The higher time frame commands the lower time frame. Going back again to the daily chart, we're looking at stocks, preparing ourselves for day trading. Okay, here we are. See, I'm on the daily chart. Again, here, some few days ago, not exactly today. It will be very interesting for us. You see, it's a surge in trading volume here. Which candle? We want to know which candle. This one here. Okay. The high, the low, and the media line. I don't want to draw the media line, but you can see now we are stuck below it. So D below that low of that candle, where we see the surge, now is retesting it. It looks bearish on the yearly chart, on a daily chart. We must check the higher time frame to use the top-down trading method to be completely bearish. Check also the fundamental on Google Finance. Okay, so you come here to Google Finance. Okay, the stock that we are looking at is the epic is NKE, Nike. Okay, all right, this Nike, and you can check the financial, check the balance sheet, and also you can check, okay, the news. Click on news, and Nike buy the stock on dips. Okay, all right, read about Nike and the other stock that are in the same sector like Nike, the competitors, and you can check also the financials. All right, this is the financial, the income statement, okay, the balance sheet, okay. They are here on Google Finance. Okay, you see now? So, all right, so for Nike, we see on this daily chart, a surge in trading volume on the 1st of March. Okay, we highlight the range of that candle. We are now dipping below it. Okay, we don't want to stop on the daily chart. Okay, we want to do technical analysis. At least if you are lazy, please look on the monthly chart. Okay, so the monthly chart, you see, boom, boom, boom. Now we are out of this brown channel. We can, when the price is out of the channel, what do? We project it to see whether we are at a conversion point, equal size of the channel. Okay, so this channel, price breakable, we project it. So now what has happened, we break above our projection again. So if I color the projection in the same color, okay, all right, we are above it, sitting on it here. But you see, break above, retest it. But you want to push it a bit. I can see the yearly chart. I would love to see it. So the high of last year, as long as we remain below the high of last year, fundamentally speaking, is bearish. But you see now, we are below the high of last year, talking about the 6 critical price level. If you don't know about the 6 critical price level, go to Google and type in trading the 6 critical price level. You see an article written by myself, and you can read about the 6 critical price level. All right? So, though on the daily chart, you see the bigger picture now, all right? All right, we are above the projection of the first channel, retesting here, but the price below the high of last year is still bearish. I will not be buying here. No, I will not. Okay, let's go back again. Next financial instrument. So you see the bigger picture now. You see the strategy that we are looking at here. Okay, it makes sense. All right, I hope you learn something from it. Okay, and also you will put into use. Okay, to make excellent decision. The next financial instrument is okay, AT&T, and no surge in trading volume, but you can see there was a surge in trading volume, and the price now above the high of that candle. We prefer it to retest that level, better for us, or at least we can draw a trend line, okay, and you see here, boom, boom, is it coming here? We'll see, all right, trading on the edge, okay, check our website, trading on the edge, all right, do not trade in the void, along the key levels on the edge of the trend line. The next financial instrument is General Electric. No surge in trading volume, but there was one here few days ago on the 21st of March. See, so we can highlight it. Okay, so I'll just highlight the high here because the price is already above it. Okay, this is what we are looking for. This is our preparation for day trading. This is another one. Walmart, same scenario, another surge here, but the price is above the high. But you see there's a resistance here. This candle is a resistance session. So bearish candle, watch it, okay? So if you want to be bullish, though the candle where we have the highs here, there's another resistance right above it. So I will not even buy above this high. I'll prefer to look for opportunity to buy above okay, the high of this bearish candle here. It's more prudent, okay? You have the choice, okay, to decide where you want to enter the trade, all right? The next financial instrument, okay, is a Verizon, okay, 1 second. You can see huge surge here, beautiful surge here, from the level of 100 million shares, it went all the way to 600 million shares, surge, huge surge on the daily chart. But we want to be careful. This is very interesting for us because this stock will be very excellent candidate for day trading because we have almost 6 times, okay, the normal volume. So day trader will be watching this stock. It will go up or it will go down by all means. But we will not stop on a daily chart. So we will go, for instance, to Google Finance and we will type in the EPIC VZ, Verizon Communication. And we want to check the financial, we want to check the news, at least quickly the news, all right? What's going on? Why? We want to know what's going on. What's the story, all right? What's happening to Verizon, okay? What's going on, okay? Read the news and then know what's going on, okay? Don't jump on it, all right? And then after that, check the financial, okay? And now use your technical trading. Do not stop on the daily chart. Zoom into it on the yearly chart. Where are we? We are still below the high of last year. Whenever I see a stock below the high of last year, if we want to be bullish below the high of last year, which level are you watching? The median line of last year. All right? So if it is below the median line of last year, be careful. All right? See now, we are below it. So the median line is somewhere around this line, okay, roughly around the turquoise horizontal line. If we go, for instance, on the daily charts, you see, we have a huge surge. And when we have a huge surge, we want to know what's going on, all right? And then we do our top-down technical analysis to know what's going on. So on a weekly chart, it has been bearish. So the dominant fall was bearish, that is. And now what's going on? Okay, so draw your trend line and trade on the edge. So my interpretation for the medium term will be, as long as this stock remain below this, I'll color this one in brown, as long as it remain below the brown trend line, I want to be bearish instead. If I'm buying below the brown line, okay, I'm still in the bearish zone. The bullish zone is above, okay, this brown line. In fact, there's a kind of a triangle here. I color this one also into brown. If I want to buy in this zone. This is the bullish zone above the median line of last year, which is at 48.79. So as long as it remains below this level, I'll prefer to give priority to bearish signal. But remember, the fundamental and the technical, not the technical alone, not the fundamentals alone. All right? It makes sense? It's also powerful. The next financial instrument, we're going back again to the daily chart. we are preparing for day trading using, okay, the volume bar, okay, to look for the surge in trading volume. And the strategy is very simple. You see again, another surge in trading volume here. Not exactly today, but this stock will also be a very interesting stock for me to look at, okay. I will put it on my bullish watch list, all right. I will highlight, okay, again, the high. As always, we want to have two watch lists, one bullish watch list and one bearish watch list. It doesn't mean that all the financial instruments that we put on our bullish watch list, we cannot sell them. We can sell them if they violate the market principle, or if the price is in a declining channel, we can sell. But we want to know where we are and what are we doing, checking the fundamental and combining the technical and the fundamental. So this is the candle where we have the surge into the volume. The price above it now here. For today, somebody trading this stock, he or she must know where is the high of yesterday and the low of yesterday and the median line of yesterday. So he or she can make, okay, a smarter decisions. All right. It doesn't matter if one is using, okay, the TSCW24 or any other trading tool. Trading is not that easy. Again, ladies and gentlemen, pay attention carefully. We are talking about the, you see, there was a surge in trading volume. Very interesting surge in trading volume, this one here. All right. Not only that, okay, the trend line was broken, the bearish trend line was broken after the surge in trading volume. Now, we want to know the story. We go to Google Finance, check this financial instrument, the news, the financials. Very important. Now, you see where we have the surge in trading volume. Let's zoom into it. Which candle? This candle here. This one here. So, again, highlight where you see the surge in trading volume. Highlight it. Highlight the range. The high, the low, and the median line. But this, in this case, I'll just go like this. You see? There was another surge recently on the daily chart again. Look. But where? Look, which candle? This one. Where? Exactly, okay, above the high of the first volume bar here. This one. The tall volume bar. You see this candle? Above the high. Look. Exactly above that high, they load it again. What's going on? There are some buyers here. Why? Because the price is playing higher low on the daily chart. Okay, now what do we need to do? The market is fractal. We don't want to stop on the daily chart. We must look on the higher time frame. You understand now? And we will use what we call the trading drill, the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. Very often we see traders, they will come and buy TSCW24, and they think that by buying a TSCW24, the next day they will be able to trade like professional traders. That's not true. It will take time, it will take experience, okay? Practice will make traders better traders. That's my personal view, okay? So this is what's going on here now, okay? So the price in a rising channel, okay? So we draw the median line because we couldn't catch it at the base of the rising channel. If we want to buy now, we would prefer to buy somewhere near the median line of the rising channel. Two bullish volume bar on a daily chart alerting us that there is okay, an increase in interest of trading this okay, a Chevron Epic CVX American stock listed on the Dow 30, the Dow Jones Index. All right, it makes sense. It is also powerful. Okay. This is a day trading preparation using okay, the trading volume. I have here 4 more stocks. Let's look at them. Okay, no surge in trading volume, but you can see here there was a surge in trading volume. We can apply the same strategy that we were discussing in this video, okay, to know exactly what's happening. We are below it and now, okay, the high of that candle. So we don't want to be very bullish in this case, okay. Do not forget, always draw your trend line and see the market pattern. All right. If you are using the TSCW24, remember this thing. Draw your channels. Okay. Know the market pattern. Do not violate the market pattern. If you are using any trading system, you must use the trading system in conjunction with the market pattern. Do not take signal that are violating the market pattern. Very important. So here, where is the market pattern? It's a declining channel. Okay, so in this scenario, okay, it's looking bullish, it's looking bearish. Okay, see, the declining channel is looking bearish. But look, this low compared to this low, all right, the price couldn't display a new lower low. After displaying this low, the price failed to display a lower low. Okay, if you want to be bullish, all right, I would prefer to be bullish above the previous high, somewhere above this level. That will bring me into this session here. It's my choice, but I can see this line. If I color this one in red, okay, and the other one into pink. All right, to please the ladies. You can see here that will be a better place to buy, because now you can see it's a kind of consolidation taking place here. If I'm buying here, okay, I will use this support as my okay, protection. Okay, carefully, but you can see that the market pattern is bearish. So this is the best place. One will be looking for opportunity to buy again. All right. The next financial instrument is ExxonMobil. No surge in trading volume today or yesterday, but you can see here a few days ago there was a surge in trading volume. For our preparation, this is a very interesting stock again. So, as always, using the same strategy, we want to identify where we have, okay, the surge in trading volume. This is the stock. This is the candle here. All right, we are above it nicely. Nothing should stop us to see the bigger picture. We go to the yearly chart. We are hanging there, okay, below, okay, the high of last year. Be careful. All right, we want to be bullish above the high of last year or near the median line of last year. So a bit tricky right now, okay? If you are buying here, watch it, okay? All right. Go back again to the daily chart using the trading volume, all right? The next financial instrument is American Express. The EPIC is AXP, Alpha X-ray Papa, okay? On a daily chart, no surge in trading volume as such, a little bit here. Same strategy, the high and low, we are below it. So not very bullish right now after the surge in trading volume. But we do not stop on the daily chart. We can go to the monthly chart, quarterly chart to see the bigger picture, all right? The last one more financial instrument, Microsoft, no surge in trading volume, okay? So not very interesting at this point in time. The last financial instrument is Visa. Okay, if you use credit card, it's a Visa. We're going now. In fact, I have to go back to Microsoft because I did not change my time frame. It has to be on a daily chart. Go to the daily chart, and we are looking for a surge in trading volume. There's one here. Okay, we apply again the same strategy. Okay, this candle, this volume bar here. This one, the tall one here. And the candle, this one here, and again we will use the same strategy. Okay. Today we did below the high of that volume bar. Okay, this candle here, we did below it a little bit, so we need to watch it a little bit and see what's going on. Do not stop on the daily chart. Check the yearly chart, the monthly chart, and use the top-down trading method. The last financial instrument is Visa. Okay. Visa debit card, Visa credit cards, okay? And on the daily chart, we have a surge, you see? Chew, chew, chew. Can you see them? These are, okay, signals. Okay, signals, okay? Do not ignore them, okay? You should be able to, okay, use your trading tools, okay, with the trading volume like the professional. You see them? They are telling you something. Boom, boom, boom. Why? What's going on? All right? Must be a key level. Now, with this information alone, you can highlight as I show you, but you can quickly go to the higher time frame yearly chart and see where are we? You see? It's near the high of last year. They are selling on the edge of the resistance of last year, the high of last year. You see, that's what's happening here. They are selling, and with a huge volume. All right, it makes sense. It is also powerful. So you say to me, George, we should sell. All right, you want to sell? The price must be what? In a declining channel at least, and you want to trade and trade on the edge. On the edge, do not force it. Use a value trading system and follow the market pattern without violating the trading triangle. Very often when we are recording video like this, some traders get very excited about it, but when it comes to the crunch, real-time trading, they couldn't cope with the pressure. I need to inform traders that day trading and swing trading are risky business. Traders must train themselves steadily to build their trading skill, their trading knowledge, and their trading abilities. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW 24 Traders.